What's the different view from a brokerage versus a trader, how you're looking at a stock, whether you're talking about it as an idea or just doing research on it?
A broker usually they are not market timers. They primarily focus on the fundamental reasoning why something is a good idea to invest in, and they are usually long-term holders. Okay,
Hmm.
and if the idea is good, then they want to take action. If the stock has been up 20% in the past 2 days, it's irrelevant.
Hmm.
I still like the company.
Yeah.
As a trader, you cannot think like that. You can say, well, okay, it might be overextended. I still like the stock,
Hmm.
but the price looks overextended. I'm still going to get into it, but at a better opportunity.
Right. Wouldn't
And
you also do that if you're an investor and you wanted to, make an extra 20%, you would wouldn't you want to wait a little and get a discount on your investment instead of uh, buying it when it's overpriced?
well, theoretically, yes, but usually brokers want to put the money to work without basically timing the market or whatever it is that they're investing in.
Hmm.
If they say, okay, we feel XYZ company is a buy, they will not tell you it's a buy at $20.
Hmm.
You know,
Yeah.
it's a buy until we say it's a buy, and it's a sell until we say it's a sell. So as a trader, it's very difficult to really just ignore the price fluctuation and not consider the timing factor.
Hmm.
Now, a trader a lot of times does not necessarily look at the fundamental reasoning behind the trade. They are looking to capture a certain price action for a potential profit.
All right.
Okay? The company can be great. If the stock does not move, you cannot make money. And you don't have the luxury of sitting on that investment until it materializes.
Hmm.
So you might be inclined to participate in a less attractive stock as far as fundamentals go, but the price is more attractive because it looks favorable.
All right, because you need to get paid and you have expenses you need to pay. You have
Absolutely. You
bills.
don't have the luxury of the market. The market can stay stagnant forever. You can't. So you need to make a decision in order to basically make the ends meet based on your own criteria.
Hmm. How do they
Uh,
balance out having an advisor there versus uh, making their own decisions?
well, I think the most important thing, if you want to find an advisor, what I would recommend first is try to find an advisor through a referral.
Hmm.
Okay, don't just assume that if it's a big company and somebody's a broker there, then I'm going to be okay.
Not the
It
first guy
doesn't mean
that
that.
calls you.
I'm sorry.
Not the first guy that calls you on the phone.
Or
Right.
the first person that picks up the phone when you call the company,
Right.
vice versa, because a lot of times there are people that are looking to just put money to work. They don't know the individual to contact,
Hmm.
so they look at the big name. They're like, well, okay, it's, I don't know, XYZ company, so it's a reputable firm, so anybody at that firm should be qualified. It doesn't mean that they're not qualified or they are not suitable brokers. It just might be that they might not be suitable for your investment style,
All right.
and that is very important. So you need to find someone that you're comfortable with as far as having the same ideology and vision about your investment strategy.
It's kind
You
of
know,
like having a spotter for your workout or having a caddy for a golfer.
exactly. Well, I don't golf, but
Yeah.
yeah, but yeah, you're exactly right. It has to be someone that basically completely understands your objective, and whatever they recommend, it is purely based on suitability, not for what is the guideline by the firm, and
Hmm.
this is what I need to do.
Okay.
And they're not the same. Hi, I'm Pirouz Hendi for Hamzy Analytics, Stocks and Options. You can find me at hamzianalytics.com and follow me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is StockDoctor68. And thank you for watching MarketHeist.com.